An erupting volcano has officials in Indonesia worried about a potential tsunami.
Part of Mount Ruang could collapse into the Pacific Ocean and cause the massive wave, according to Indonesia's Volcanology Center. They recorded 5 large eruptions Wednesday night, releasing white-hot smoke that reached more than 1,000 feet above its peak. Authorities have closed an international airport and people have evacuated their homes. In 2018, a different volcano partially collapsed into the sea and triggered a tsunami that killed more than 400 people. The country is prone to volcanic activity because it sits in a ring of seismic fault lines.